Hey everyone, today I will show you how to fix TikTok features missing. And here's how it is done. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Then choose Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Cache and Cellular and tap Free App Space. Clear the cache and delete downloads from the app to remove temporary data. For iPhone users, open Settings and go to General. Tap on iPhone Storage and find TikTok. Choose Offload App to clear the app's data while keeping its documents. Then reinstall the app. For Android users, go to your device settings and find the TikTok app. Tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Uninstall and then reinstall TikTok from the Google Play Store. Make sure your app is up to date by visiting the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store for Android to see if there's a new version available. Sometimes a simple restart of your phone can help fix bugs or issues with apps. Following these steps should refresh your TikTok app and may resolve missing features or glitches. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix TikTok features missing. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.